could test that. I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Hoping I'm connected. I think I am. Let's hook you up right here. Get you out. There we go. There we go. Alright. Looks good. Yeah, we'll turn that down. There we go. Alright. For some reason, I didn't get my PDC clearance. We're still waiting for the oil to warm up a little bit more. Greensboro Tower bearing 628 Charlie Delta. Yes sir, 628 Charlie Delta, instruments to Wilmington. We got Lima. Didn't get the PDC. I stepped on you. We're looking to get our instruments to Wilmington. Negative PDC. Oh, sorry. Yeah, they just said contact you. Left to 170, clear for takeoff. 23 left. 628 Charlie Delta. So good lights, strobes, picture rich. Everything's forward. Final is clear. I don't see anybody coming. Don't see anybody on my traffic. Scroll that out. Little stuff on radar, little ice, so cold, no freezing rain stuff. We're gonna avoid that. A little snow. Alright, power's coming up. Power is set, everything's in the green, airspeed's alive, looking good. There's through 85, 90. Pause the rate, gear comes up, lights off. Y'all damn bone. A little broad by. We got vertical speed. Shallow that out to about 7. Go heading. Go trim. I hope that door's not going to pop open. I don't think it is. Okay, we're departure 628 Charlie Delta today. Alright. We're going to turn on our autopilot. Well, actually, we'll just hand flat for a little bit. I'll get it nice and trim. Now we'll turn on autopilot. Delta 2.3, climbing 3,070, I think. I was kind of breaking up there. Closer before we go to full flaps, because he said keep your speed up. We're doing 120 though. We bug our mist. But the we're coming in high, a little fast, but that's alright. Looking good. We got a good scenery going. Goddamn away. Before landing checks are complete. 3 green, no red lights are on. Mixture rich flaps are full. Everything's done with the grind. On the glide slope.
Minimums.
Continue. We made it. How about that? How about them apples? We'll bump it up to 1,000. All right, well, thanks for riding along.